Tired of spending hours wrestling with complicated design software to create the perfect floor plan? Well, get ready to say goodbye to design headaches because today, we're diving into Promeai Floor Plan, the AI tool that's revolutionizing the way we create innovative and functional spaces. First, head over to Promeai.com to sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly dashboard. Now, you have several options to kickstart your floor plan. You can upload a sketch, describe your desired layout in detail, or even choose from pre-designed templates. Let's say you have a rough sketch. Simply click the upload button, select your file, and let Promeai's AI do its magic, transforming your drawing into a precise digital floor plan. Alternatively, you can type in your requirements, be as specific as possible, mention the number of rooms, desired style, and any specific features you have in mind. After inputting your information, Promeai's AI engine will swiftly generate a floor plan based on your specifications. This usually takes just a few seconds. Now for the fun part, customization. Promeai offers a range of editing tools, allowing you to adjust room sizes, move walls, add furniture, and fine-tune every detail to your exact liking. Simply click and drag furniture pieces from the library to furnish your space. Experiment with different layouts and styles until you achieve your vision. You can also change wall colors, add textures, and even visualize the space in 3D to get a complete understanding of the design. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, you can easily download it in various formats, ready to share with architects, interior designers, or contractors. Promeai is your key to creating innovative spaces with ease.